In a vast, lush forest lived a peculiar creature named Kibo, a cicada. Unlike other cicadas who lived underground for years, Kibo was born with a unique gift: he could sing only above ground. One sunny day, Kibo began his melodious song, echoing throughout the forest. The other creatures gathered around, enchanted by the beautiful music. However, a grumpy old toad named Grumble, who lived near the swamp, was displeased. "Why," he grumbled, "should Kibo have such a wonderful gift, while the rest of us have nothing?" Cricket, a small creature who lived near the trees, overheard Grumble's grumbles. "Why always complain, Grumble?" she asked. "Kibo's song brings joy to all. Isn't that a gift worth cherishing?" Grumble, feeling embarrassed, realized the truth in Cricket's words. "You are right, Cricket," he said. "I should be grateful for the gifts I have, instead of focusing on what I don't." From that day forward, Grumble changed his ways. He no longer grumbled about the gifts of others but appreciated his own, learning that everyone has a unique gift to offer the world. And Kibo, with his beautiful song, continued to bring joy to the forest, reminding everyone that each gift, no matter how small or big, has its own importance and should be cherished. Moral asterisk: appreciate the gifts you have, for everyone has a unique role to play in life.